All right, congratulations getting this far. This is a 10-minute lower body weighted workout. Again, do what you can. You can start out lightweight. You can use your BFR bands to pump it up. Otherwise, go ahead and get your selected weight and get started. I'm gonna do the goblet squat. Try to do a little bit of hold at the bottom, down there. Come up slow. Kind of almost push your hips forward just a little bit. Next up is going to be your side lunge. You're going to hold your weight. We're going to go side to side. All right, let's get ready, let's go. It's a nice, slow, steady move. Do a little bit of hold on the bottom. Make sure you get one of those workouts or some type of warm-up before you start this one. All right, next up is gonna be the jump squat. Squat down, spring up, go down as low as you can. Squat down with your feet out, up. All right, whenever you're ready, let's get it. Seconds. All right, you got it. Get the weight that's going to challenge you. We're going to do stationary lunges. Whenever you're ready, go ahead and get on down. Seconds. All right, other side. All right, let's get it. Five more seconds. Awesome. Next up, we're going to do a stiff leg deadlift. And lower down. Try to keep your legs straight. Come up, let's tilt back just a little bit. All right, here we go. Try to look up and across to kind of keep your back balanced. Seconds. Awesome. All right, we're going to do the glute bridge. All right, going to get your weight ready. And you're just going to lift straight up. Do a hold at the top. Do a little hold. If you want to rack it up, get up on your heels. If you're not feeling a burn, up your weight or get your BFR bands on. Get that HGH, you want to build your muscle back. All right, we got it. Next is a hop squat. So you're gonna hop, hop, and you go down. Switch your hands, and you go down. All right, get ready to get these knocked out. Here we go. If you're suffering from a lot of adrenal fatigue, you may not want to do this more than once a week. Five seconds. Got it. All right, wall sit. You can do this with the weight or without. I'm going to try it. Against your wall, you're going to sit. Use weight if you want to. You can do it without. Hold on to it. "20 seconds, you got it, let's go. Hold it. Hold it. 10 seconds, that's it, just hold it. Doing awesome. You got it. All right. Next up, power jack. This is a hop. And you go down. All right. Get it ready. Let's get it. Seconds. 5. You got it. All right, mix it up. When you're ready to do some weights, this is a lower body, just do 10 minutes. Any more than that, you're just stressing your body. But this is obviously enough to get you going up the weight to build muscle. Thank you, you're doing awesome. Love you. I'll see you next time.